Hi everyone, welcome back to Stevix. Today I'm trying to divert myself, or Stevix is trying to move away from cybersecurity, and today I want to talk about the most important thing that is common and something that we, including me, we are facing difficult with: resume building and job seeking. So today I'm introducing Musa, and Musa is an advanced AI powered career success platform designed to maximize job searching outcomes for individuals and deliver strategic advantages for organization. By crafting tailored ATS optimized resumes and cover letters, providing actionable interview preparation and offering personalized career guidance, Musa streamlines the entire job application process for organizations. Musa accelerates hiring, reduces recruitment costs, and enhances employer branding by ensuring candidates present themselves professionally and are well matched to open roles. There's so much beautiful things you can read about Musa, and I would advise you to take a look. However, let's proceed and see how uh, we can demonstrate Musa's ability. In order to demonstrate Musa ability, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to provide Musa with a job description, very short job description. And from that job description, we are going to ask some questions. Let's start with this one. This is a job description, very short. I want to make it short. So I've given it to Musa. All right. From that very short, I want us to understand the basic which we want to ask Musa. We're going to ask the three basic questions that we expect Musa to understand. Now, the first basic question that we want to ask Musa is to create a one-page resume for the job. So let's ask Musa to create us a one-page, let's say create one-page career resume for the candidate tailored to the job above or the job provided. So let's forget about the redacting for now, because we are not using real information to redact somebody information for this video. Wow, Musa is working. Let's see what he gets for us. Okay, absolutely. To create a strong tailored one-page resume for the lead back-end engineer role, at this I will need a bit more information about the candidate. Yes, what I need. Musa want the full name and contact info, current. All right, let's give that other section. We want Musa to redact that information. Ignore this information until resume is approved. All right, let's do that and see. Understood. I'll redact all content information and display contact information upon request until you give me final approval. Let's proceed. To create the tele one page, your full name, or let me candidate name, and so on. Current most recent job title, uh, key responsibility and achievement. So in this case, to simplify this function, I'm going to give Musa a resume. I'm going to give Musa a resume that's going to facilitate this information, this step, so that we won't be going back and forth, because Musa has been configured in such a way that you don't just go to Musa and ask Musa to do something without actually providing something. So Musa does not just work like that. So I've provided the information, and let's see what Musa is going to do for us. Okay, happily, Musa is doing the job. Let's wait and see. And the next question I want to ask Musa is produce a concise two-sentence professional summary targeting this job. Contain a job description for IT procurement, not your resume. To create your tailored resume, I will need your actual work history and achievement. Yes, I'll tell Musa that is my resume and all the data you need. I need a resume. I need a resume for the above job. Typo for my end. So he's trying to build a resume we have asked for. After this step, we are going to see if we can have produce a concise two-sentence professional summary targeting this job. They will ask Musa to list 8 core skills optimized for ATS using keyword from this job posting. Wow, we have that already. Here is your one-page Coloriga ATS-Optimized Resume tailored for lead back-end engineer. Result-driven IT project that had over 6 years of experience and so on and so forth. This is the beauty of Musa. You see how everything is arranged the year. You see everything as listed, and there's something that we all identify here that we can fix by ourselves. So very, very important. All right, let's ask list 8 core skills optimized for ATS using keyword from this job posting. So in order for you in order to get to that job, these are the 8 skills you must possess: Python backend development, REST API design, Post PostgreSQL database management, Redis caching and data storage, AWS, performance tuning, engineering team leadership, monitoring, observing. That's wonderful. Now let's keep going and asking more questions. Those are the things that are gonna help you run an ATS keyword optimization. Highlight missing keywords from this job and show the suggested 30-word change to the summary. So these are the things that we want to get before applying for a job. We get a job description. We want to understand this job perfectly, and Musa is there to work with you hand together and make sure everything that you need for that job is actually there. All right. So you can see Musa is doing a good job for us. Wow. Here your key optimization, missing keyword from the job posting. They did not talk about 6+ years backend experience. They don't talk about strong Python and REST API, cloud performance tuning and observability and performance. Suggested 30-word summary change. Experienced back-end engineer with 6+ years leading teams, specializing in strong Python and REST API design, Postgres, Redix, ADO, and so on and so forth. Now, you can see if an organization was trying to post this job, Musa will help derive or draft the post that should be sent out for candidate to apply for. Now, we want to ask the next question. Score the resume that he has created. Let's ask him to score that resume. Score the resume match from 0 to 100 and explain how to raise it by 10 points. The match is 6 out of 14. Critical keyword requirement from the job posting was not listed. However, several must have phrases and so the information is keep going. However, several must have phrases and specific are missing or not explicitly stated, such as that how to raise your score to at least 10 points. Explicitly state years of back end experience. Add a line in your summary or experience section over 6 years and so on and so forth. And so now we can ask one. Let's talk about reformatting style, formatting and style. So that is the good thing I want to share with you guys. I can't tell you everything. I think it's open for you to try. Let's talk about the formatting style. Reformat this message resume into a clean one-page PDF friendly layout. Keep bullet concise. Now he has identified the problem with that, and then one that thing should be fixed. So that's want it to be fixed. All right, there's a glitch on the system right now. Now the survey has been reformatted. So with this survey, I bet you're ready to hit the market so high. You're ready to hit the market so high. Thank you, Asmusa. Now let's move further to asking to convert this resume to a functional skill first layout for a career pivot. Now that's another question I want to expose about Musa. As you know, Musa is not only here for resume. Musa is in for resume, job application. He can search a job for you. He can do so many things for you. Not just resume writing. So this is certainly your resume formatted into clean one-page PDF friendly. Okay, that's is that what we asked for? Oh, yeah, we still. I think we did not ask this convert number. The next question was to convert. Let's see. Yeah, we're asking Musa to convert this resume to a functional skill first layout for career pivot. This one is going to be sweet. Now, so there are more other functions that we won't have time to cover in this video, like quantification and achievement, privacy reduction, career package advance, create a 200 word tele cover page, which we're going to do. We're going to see that one. So we have it has converted resume into the functional. This is another level of the resume. Absolutely, yes, your resume refined into a clean one page that first skill first layout. This is skill first layout. So you start with the skill, core skills, and then you go down and go there talk about your profession. So when you're reading a job description, you want to pay attention about that, what they're asking you to do. So we'll talk about the career package advance. So we're going to ask two questions and see what Musa have to give us and help you know what you can use Musa for. You can use Musa for anything you so desire. I think in my next coming videos, I'll present more videos about how to use Musa for job search and so on and so forth, but it's not going to be covered in this video. So in my next videos, I'll talk about how can we use Musa for job search, how can we use Musa to fix our own um, to fix our resume and so on and so forth. So for this one, uh, I'm just trying to expose some of the short things you can use Musa for. But as I said earlier, you can use Musa for so many things. You can use Musa to fix your CV. You can use Musa to select. You can use Musa to search for jobs. You can use Musa to track your application and so forth. Yeah, so it has given us the telecover page later. That's it. So this one is quite interesting because this tool is just center just around resume writing, nothing more, and it has given us 5-star interview example questions that we should be worried about: situation, um, tax. This is in interview example, team leadership situation. Our team faced a tight deadline to, in fact, this is something that has to do with quantitative achievement that you did. So Musa has been able to give us that. So let me give us another let us do um one more stuff with Musa, and then call it a day, and then watch out for more videos from Musa. So let's ask Musa to rewrite this resume into a good resume matching this job. Matching the job. I'm going to provide a job description. I want Musa to match. Musa is going to match So it's going to match the job that talks about data analyst. That's the last thing we are going to do. And then watch out for more videos on how you can use Musa for many other things. So the system is glitching a little bit. Alright, the system is back. The Musa is still working. Wow, Musa is done. Certainly, yes, Musa has fixed that resume for us to match that particular job listing. So just by providing your job listing and resume, Musa can fix it for you and make it ready for you to apply for the job. So as I said, we're going to stop here, and I'm going to post more videos on how to use Musa for other things like searching for jobs and so on and so forth. Thank you for listening. God bless you.